Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to properly clean the print heads of an Epson printer model L. The first thing you're going to do is press the triangle button. You're going to press it for 3 seconds until the green button on the left side starts flashing. This will cause our printer to start performing the entire cleaning process. So we're going to let our printer perform this entire function without interrupting it. Here we see how the printhead moves, and as we see, it's doing all the cleaning on our printer, so we leave it until it's done. When the green button stops, we're going to turn off our printer by pressing it once. Once it's off, we're going to press both buttons at the same time until it starts flashing again. What will this process do? It will cause our printer to perform a color test. This way, we can see if the cleaning was actually done correctly. In this case, everything went well. If the colors didn't come out right, you'll have to repeat the process again. So guys, I hope I've helped you, and as always, I invite you to subscribe. See you soon, bye-bye.